Is your Jaecoo 7's alarm going off randomly? The most common culprits are faulty door liftgate switches, the interior motion sensor, or the key fob. Start by checking if all doors in the liftgate are fully closed. Dirt, corrosion, or misalignment can cause the door liftgate switches to send false open signals. Also, ensure nothing is moving inside the car, as the interior sensor can be triggered by pets, shadows, or even vibrations. A weak key fob battery or signal interference from devices like Wi-Fi routers can also cause issues. Try resetting the alarm system through the infotainment screen or using an OBD2 scanner. Remember to disconnect the battery before any repairs to prevent electrical shorts. Software updates, specifically OTA version 2.4.1 released in July 2025, can resolve sensor calibration issues. Check for available updates. For hardware issues, clean door liftgate switch contacts with electrical contact cleaner. If the interior sensor is too sensitive, consider recalibrating it at a dealership. Key fob problems can be fixed by replacing the battery and ensuring no signal interference. Extreme temperatures can affect sensor performance, so be mindful of this in winter. As of March 2025, there was a voluntary recall for faulty liftgate switches, so check if your vehicle is affected. Regular inspections can prevent future false alarms. For persistent issues, a dealer visit is often necessary due to proprietary diagnostics.